What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Starting off today with drawing a little bit of Dogecoin, and I just wanted to show you guys my progress on Doge right now. Alright, let's go ahead and submit this and collect today's Doge. Currently just collected 1.05 Dogecoin. So if you're not on Moon Dogecoin, there's a link down below. But here I just want to show you my total balance, 65.7 Dogecoin. And I've earned that in the past couple weeks, just coming here maybe twice a day, maybe even once a day, to go ahead and click and claim Dogecoin. And it gives you a daily loyalty bonus. So I've managed the past 14 days to come on and collect every single day. Sometimes I miss a day. That's fine too. But just showing that this is the best Dogecoin faucet there is, from not putting a cent into it to having 65 Dogecoin. We'll see this year how much Doge I can actually earn with this faucet. So in the midst of the market going crazy right now and crashing, have some fun and earn some free Dogecoin. And speaking of the market kind of crashing like crazy right now, we see Bitcoin right now rocking at a price of 9,000. It's actually coming up a little bit. Actually, just a few minutes ago I looked and it was like 8,800, which is insane. We haven't seen Bitcoin this low since around November time, so it's really pushed back low. And why is this? Why is this market solid red? Well, most of the altcoins have to do with the fact that Bitcoin's going down really low, and even the market cap, 450 billion right now. Yesterday we were looking at about 550 billion. So how does a market cap lose $100 billion in one day? Let's go ahead and look at this site first. Fact or FUD, pressure drives crypto markets down almost 20%. All of the top 50 cryptocurrencies fell as much as 18.05% in the last 24 hours to press time today, as fresh volatility in Bitcoin undermines previous sideways growth. Why is this? Bitcoin faces renewed pressure after India's finance minister Arun Jaitley announced a crackdown on illegitimate activities involving cryptocurrency in his 2018 budget speech this morning. So that definitely causes a lot of tension with the market when a big company that plays a big role in the price of Bitcoin, they have a lot of investors in India, and when FUD comes out from one of these Asian countries, then you just see the Bitcoin market start to decline. And this with market predictions for futures for February being under 9,000 as well. It just kind of all goes together, all this FUD, and as soon as people start pulling out of the market, a good number of Bitcoin holders who are scared sellers start selling. In a market where holding is probably the best thing you can do for the market growth, most people don't realize that, and they panic sell every time they see bad news coming. There can be profit made if done strategically, like selling it with the prediction that it's going to go down and then buying low again, but most people just sell out and don't buy back in. So you need some guts of iron to deal with cryptocurrency. I didn't sell anything this morning, especially my Litecoin, which is probably what I have the most holding in. Litecoin is currently at 141. For me, that looks like a good time to buy. If I wasn't buying into the LENDEX ICO right now, I would definitely be buying into Litecoin. But currently, the last few days, funds are tied up in the LENDEX coin ICO that just released today, sold out in a matter of minutes. I think in under an hour, the first 500,000 coins sold. So go check out LENDEX coin, the ICO that's breaking records and selling out super fast, already at 80 cents a coin. So I'll put a link down below to that for you guys. But back to Litecoin. Litecoin's down a little bit. EOS is down. I'm holding these coins right here because I really like them. I like the programs. I like the way they work, but they're not doing well right now. Does that mean I should scare sell at a loss? No, I'm gonna hold them. So just letting you guys know the progress of what I'm doing. I'm holding these coins. Devore coins like $5, $6 a coin right now. I bought some Devore coin and I'm staking it. When the markets are all red, it's basically saying coins on sale, buy us now and we will make you profit. So when this happens, when there's a market-wide crash, pick your favorite coins that you have hopes in, that you believe in the programs that they use, like Steam. Steam would be great to buy right now. Let's see what Steam's sitting at. $4.79. Yeah, it's a great time to buy Steam. So just letting you guys know some updates. We see another article talking about Bitcoin dropping below 9,000, a critical level of support that many analysts are watching. The decline followed reports that raised worries about increased regulation in India and potential price manipulation at a major exchange. So Coinbase again having market manipulation claims brought against them just as the prices are dipping down super low. Apparently Coinbase reported having an issue with its system, experiencing issues with a provider for SMS two-factor authentication, and it was impacting user sign-ins, sign-ups, and confirmations for sensitive actions like selling coins. So just when the market's super volatile, again, something happens with Coinbase, which makes everyone think market manipulation with Coinbase. So I'm sure we'll get an official report on that later, but that definitely caused the price to drop farther as more and more people were scared they couldn't get access to their coins, further creating more FUD and panic and more panic sellers. So again, in times where you don't know what to do when you're scared, the best thing you can do is hold your coins. Hodl those coins, guys. And again, there's other information. The SEC in America, the Securities Exchange Commission, is meeting with the Senate next week to discuss further regulations in the US for cryptocurrency. They've been banning a lot of ICOs lately that were trying to sell in the US, so I'm sure there's going to be a lot more talk and information coming out about possibly new regulations in the US for cryptocurrency in the future. So stay tuned for that next week. I'm really interested to see what the outcome of these meetings will. Like I've said in videos the past couple days, we're seeing a global crackdown of cryptocurrency, and a lot of governments are starting these heavy regulation processes, obviously causing a lot of scare in the markets. And I would bet to say that a lot of the governments are probably buying cryptocurrency. As your average normal people, scare sellers in the market are selling them off, the governments are probably taking that as a time to buy up, to further become whales in the market, because they want their control of money and finance. They want it all regulated, and they want to suppress people financially, letting the rich get richer and the poor and average people stay poor. To me, cryptocurrency is a chance to really even the playing field for the average person to begin investing and creating wealth, and I really want to see the market stay in the hands of the people and not in the government. That it would be a peer-to-peer currency where we can buy goods and services from one another, really taking finances into our own hands like it should be, and like it was always meant to be if it weren't for corrupt giants taking control. So just keep that in mind, guys. Hold your coins, fight back by not panic selling, by holding your coins and saying you're not willing to sell, you're willing to hold on to this. So that's just a little tip of advice. Now, some good news to all this, we do see that Samsung confirms it's now making cryptocurrency mining chips. So a big tech giant, Samsung, is now getting involved in making Bitcoin mining chips. This article really talks about how it's going to create some competition to China's based Bitmain, which claims to hold over 70% of the market share and uses ASICS from Taiwanese manufacturer TSMC. So this is just going to bring a little more competition into the market, hopefully driving prices down for mining equipment, which is great for all you miners out there to be able to purchase the hardware and software you need to mine Bitcoin, having some more options in the market, hopefully lowering the prices. So that's just a little market update for you guys today. Definitely hard to see the market keep crashing and crashing down. A lot of us are waiting for this 2018 bull run that has been promised, that has been spoken of, and I'm holding my coins waiting along with you guys. We're seeing some nice recovery after Bitcoin's gone down under 9,000. At least we're above the 9,000 mark right now, which is really good to see. So hopefully we will continue to see a rise to pull up out of this bearish trend that we've seen and reset into a bullish market. So there is hope, guys. Keep holding your coins, keep making smart, calculated decisions, trading and making gains in the market, further increasing the amount of coin you hold, increasing your crypto wealth, your crypto portfolios, and holding them when times are tough to really help stabilize the market. The market is in the hands of the people, and let's keep it that way. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and comment a question that you want me to answer down below. Alright guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.